Women are more aware than ever. We are eating better, working out, reading more, and yet, issues like hormonal imbalance, PCOS, fatigue, and burnout are only increasing. Hi everyone, I'm Khushbu Majithia from Women's Social, and today we are talking about something every woman thinks she understands but still struggles with, and that is her own health. Somewhere between information and action, something is not adding up. So, what are we missing here? To understand this better, I'm joined by Dr. Rishma Lakhani, a consultant gynecologist associated with Lilavati Clinic and Wellness, with over a decade of experience in women's healthcare and strong focus on hormonal and reproductive health.
Hi Khushbu, thank you for inviting me. It's been great associating with you.
We are glad to know this. What are those reports that every woman should get done at an interval of say 6 months or a year? What are those reports?
Routine blood checkup, which would include a CBC for the hemoglobin, liver function test, renal function test once in a year, your cholesterol levels once in a year. Coming down to vitamins, vitamin B12, vitamin D3, because the deficiency is on a rise, that is regularly recommended. Apart from this, thyroid hormone levels, urine routine test is once in a year recommended. Pap smear test, very important. Most women do not take it seriously. Should be started from the age of 21 years or at least from when you are sexually active. It is to be repeated every 3 years and combined it with HPV testing after 30 years of age. It is to be repeated every 5 years. So pap smear test is one test which generally women tend to avoid, and they wake up very late when they start feeling the symptoms. That is the time when they go for a pap smear. It is a simple test and it is a screening test for cervical cancer. So that is one test which I would recommend every woman to undergo. That is once in 3 years. So you do it today, 3 years you are good to go, right? Unless and until you develop any symptoms in between. Another important thing is self-breast examination, which I recommend every woman should do. Mammography is one test that is generally recommended after 45 years of age, unless and until there is a family history where you have your first degree relative, that is your mother, your masi or your sibling having a breast cancer at a younger age, less than 45 years, then a mammography at a younger age would be recommended. Otherwise, routine mammography after 45 years of age is to be done. It is repeated every 2 years.